If you took the October SAT, what was that? The second math section had questions that were nowhere like the practice test. It was insanely hard, and even some of my best math students did not have time to finish the exam. Even on the reading section, they overemphasized the science so much that you'd think that they were picking up the ACT science section that just got dropped, which is insane. Now, the College Board for a long time now has been experimenting with different levels of difficulty for the digital SAT, trying to match out where it can make it like the paper SAT. But honestly, at some point, they do have to give students some kind of fair representation of what's going to be on the exam, what kind of questions you're going to ask, so people even have a chance to prepare for it. But recently, they've just been all over the place, honestly. September was pretty light, but then this October exam was out of nowhere. It'd be one thing if they were increasing the difficulty by actually asking complex questions, but instead they're just playing a bunch of word games to try to reduce the percentage of people who get a question right and saying that that's the same thing as difficulty, which it isn't. So if the College Board is going to continue being the kind of provider for exams that can be a barrier to entry for college, you would think they would at least owe it to the students taking it to give an exam that has complex questions that would test you on the abilities you would need in college. Instead, they're just giving us a bunch of random questions. So please tag the College Board in the comments. Let me know what your experience was on the October SAT. I'm really curious because frankly, if they're not getting it together, somebody has to make a new exam to replace the SAT.